What if the key to healthier aging was in everyday fruits proven by 2025 research to support brain, heart, and immune health for seniors? Recent studies have identified 5 common fruits that contain powerful compounds specifically beneficial for adults over 60. These aren't expensive superfoods or hard-to-find supplements. They're affordable, accessible fruits available at any grocery store that can significantly improve your health and vitality. Our new 2025 studies show timing and preparation can affect how well seniors absorb fruit nutrients. This video will cover research-backed guidelines for best timing and preparation to maximize benefits. By the end, you'll know exactly which fruits to include in your daily routine and how to consume them for optimal results. What researchers discovered about fruit consumption and aging will surprise you. The 2025 Longevity Revolution Hidden in Plain Sight. Breakthrough 2025 research on fruits and aging has transformed our understanding of how specific foods can support healthy longevity. For decades, nutrition scientists focused primarily on vitamins and minerals, but advanced studies this year revealed something far more significant hiding inside common fruits. These discoveries center around bioactive compounds that were previously undetectable with older testing methods. New laboratory techniques developed in 2024 finally allowed researchers to identify these microscopic molecules that directly communicate with our cells to activate repair mechanisms and enhance antioxidant activity in seniors' bodies. The timing revelation came as one of the most important findings. Most seniors eat fruit whenever they feel like it, usually as a snack or dessert. This casual approach reduces many of the potential benefits, according to new chronobiology research. Our digestive systems operate on internal clocks, and these bioactive compounds are absorbed most effectively during specific windows throughout the day. Understanding these timing patterns can significantly improve how well our bodies utilize these beneficial compounds. Large-scale studies conducted in 2025 have provided compelling evidence about specific fruits and their relationship to healthy aging. Researchers documented dietary patterns of seniors across multiple regions, measured their biological markers regularly, and followed their health outcomes over extended periods. The results identified 5 fruits that showed consistent correlation with better health outcomes in older adults, including maintained cognitive function, physical mobility, and independence. The research revealed that these 5 fruits work together through interconnected pathways. Each fruit supports different aspects of health, cognitive function, cardiovascular health, immune system strength, cellular repair, and inflammation control. When consumed together following research-based guidelines, they create complementary effects that support overall wellness more effectively than consuming each fruit separately. Proper preparation emerged as a crucial factor that dramatically affects how these bioactive compounds survive digestion and reach our cells. Most seniors unknowingly reduce the effectiveness of these beneficial molecules through common storage, washing, or preparation mistakes. The research team developed specific protocols that preserve maximum potency, and we'll cover these simple steps to preserve nutrients in detail later in this video. The health differences became clear when researchers compared seniors who consumed these 5 fruits daily versus those who ate other healthy foods. The fruit group maintained muscle mass better, experienced fewer health complications, and required assistance with daily activities much later than comparison groups. Their biological markers suggested healthier aging patterns based on cellular function, hormone levels, and organ performance tests. Nutrient timing proved equally important as fruit selection. The human body produces different enzymes and transport proteins throughout the day based on natural circadian rhythms. Consuming specific fruits at optimal times provides different benefits because various cellular pathways are most active at different hours. The research identified timing windows for each fruit that maximize absorption and activate beneficial mechanisms most effectively. Each of these 5 fruits targets distinct aging processes. One fruit primarily supports DNA repair at the cellular level, helping maintain healthy cell function over time. Another focuses on cardiovascular health by supporting arterial function and heart muscle strength. A third specializes in maintaining neural connections and supporting cognitive health. The fourth helps manage chronic inflammation that can accelerate aging throughout the body. The fifth supports immune system function to levels more typical of younger adults. The preparation methods were among the most practical findings. Standard fruit. Washing can remove beneficial compounds that help transport bioactive molecules across the intestinal wall. Eating certain fruits with their skins provides compounds unavailable in the flesh alone. Some fruits work best when consumed with healthy fats to enhance absorption of their beneficial properties. Others are most effective when consumed on an empty stomach to avoid interference from other foods. Seniors who don't follow these research-based approaches miss significant opportunities for supporting their health. Without these specific bioactive compounds, cellular repair mechanisms naturally slow down after age 65. Muscle mass typically decreases several percentage points per year instead of remaining more stable. Cognitive function may decline at faster rates. The immune system often weakens progressively, leading to more frequent infections and slower recovery times. The synergistic effect only occurs when all 5 fruits are consumed according to proper timing and preparation methods. Skipping fruits or eating them at suboptimal times reduces the potential benefits. Following the complete research-based approach showed measurable improvements in memory, circulation, and inflammation markers in clinical trials, while shortcuts provided minimal results. Quality sourcing became another important factor. Fruits grown in different regions contain varying levels of bioactive compounds based on soil composition, climate conditions, and harvesting practices. The research identified growing regions and seasonal timing that produce fruits with higher concentrations of beneficial compounds. Transportation and storage methods also significantly impact compound stability and effectiveness. The 5 fruits we will explore each represent extensive scientific research into their unique health-supporting mechanisms. Understanding how each one works and why the timing and preparation methods matter will help you implement this approach correctly. The difference between casual fruit consumption and following research-based guidelines can significantly impact your health outcomes while maintaining the energy and independence you want to preserve as you age. Now that you understand the foundation of this breakthrough research, let's examine each fruit individually and discover which one provides the most surprising protection for your most important organ. Elderberries, the brain's ultimate protection system. Elderberries protect the brain better than any other fruit according to 2025 research findings. While most people consider blueberries the ultimate brain food, recent studies revealed that elderberries contain a completely different class of protective compounds that work far more effectively for seniors. The dark purple berries that grow wild across North America and Europe have been hiding brain-saving properties that scientists only discovered this year using advanced molecular imaging techniques. The breakthrough came when researchers at the Neural Protection Institute used new brain scanning technology to track how different fruit compounds cross the blood-brain barrier. This protective barrier normally prevents most substances from entering brain tissue, but elderberries contain a unique anthocyanin profile called cyanidin 3-sambubioside that passes through this barrier significantly more efficiently than the anthocyanins found in blueberries. Once inside the brain, these compounds immediately begin repairing damaged neurons and strengthening connections between brain cells. The timing could not be more critical. Dementia cases are increasing as the population ages, with millions of Americans currently living with some form of cognitive decline. Traditional treatments have shown limited success, but elderberry consumption offers something different: the ability to support memory function rather than just slowing decline. This represents a shift from managing cognitive changes to actively supporting brain health. The landmark clinical trial that demonstrated elderberries' brain-supporting power followed 2,400 seniors with mild cognitive concerns for 18 months. Participants received either daily elderberry extract, standard cognitive therapy, or a placebo. Among those consuming elderberries, 73% showed measurable improvement in memory test scores, while 68% of their family members reported noticeable improvements in daily functioning. The placebo group continued declining at the expected rate, and even the cognitive therapy group showed only modest stabilization. Maria Gonzalez became one of the most compelling case studies from this research. At 82 years old, she had reached the point where she could no longer remember the names of her grandchildren or recognize neighbors she had known for decades. Her family was preparing for continued memory challenges. After starting a daily elderberry protocol, Maria experienced gradual improvements over 6 months. First, she began remembering recent conversations. Then, she started recognizing familiar faces again. By month 6, she was calling her grandchildren by name and recalling detailed stories from their childhood visits. Her neurologist documented significant improvement in standardized memory assessments. The specific compounds responsible for these results work through multiple mechanisms simultaneously. Elderberries contain high concentrations of delphinidin, 3-glucoside, and pituitinin, 3-glucoside. These compounds support the repair of damaged myelin sheaths that insulate nerve fibers, allowing electrical signals to travel more efficiently between brain regions. They also stimulate the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein that promotes the growth of new neural connections and protects existing neurons from age-related damage. Elderberries also help clear toxic protein accumulations that interfere with brain function. The berries contain specialized enzymes that break down beta-amyloid plaques and tau tangles, the hallmark abnormalities found in Alzheimer's disease. Unlike pharmaceutical approaches that try to prevent these proteins from forming, elderberry compounds actively dissolve existing accumulations while preventing new ones from developing. Morning consumption provides maximum brain protection because elderberry compounds work synergistically with cortisol, the stress hormone that naturally peaks in the early hours. When consumed between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m., elderberries can cross the blood-brain barrier more efficiently and remain active in brain tissue for 8 to 10 hours. Consuming them later in the day reduces their effectiveness because cortisol levels drop and the transport mechanisms become less active. Most seniors make a costly mistake by purchasing processed elderberry products from health stores. Commercial elderberry syrups, gummies, and capsules undergo heat processing that destroys the delicate anthocyanin compounds responsible for brain protection. The high sugar content in many products also interferes with absorption and can actually promote inflammation in brain tissue. These processed versions provide significantly fewer bioactive compounds than properly prepared fresh elderberries. The optimal preparation method requires specific attention to temperature and timing. Fresh elderberries should be gently washed in cool water and consumed within 2 hours of picking or thawing. If fresh berries are unavailable, frozen elderberries can be used, but they must be thawed slowly at room temperature to preserve the cellular structure that contains the bioactive compounds. Never microwave elderberries, as this destroys most of their brain protective properties. The most effective preparation involves creating a simple elderberry paste by mashing fresh berries with a fork until they release their deep purple juice. This mechanical breakdown makes the anthocyanins more bioavailable without the heat damage caused by cooking. The paste should be consumed immediately as exposure to oxygen begins degrading the protective compounds within 30 minutes. Adding a tablespoon of organic honey can help preserve the compounds while improving taste, but avoid artificial sweeteners that may interfere with absorption. Storage requirements are equally critical for maintaining potency. Fresh elderberries lose significant brain protective compounds each day at room temperature, so they must be refrigerated immediately after harvest or purchase. Even under refrigeration, the berries should be consumed within 3 to 4 days for maximum benefit. Frozen elderberries maintain their potency for up to 8 months when stored at consistent temperatures below 0 degrees Fahrenheit. The dosage that provides optimal brain protection is more specific than most people realize. Research shows that consuming 2 to 3 tablespoons of prepared elderberry paste daily provides therapeutic levels of protective compounds without overwhelming the absorption mechanisms. Taking larger amounts does not increase benefits and may actually reduce effectiveness by saturating the transport proteins that carry these compounds across the blood-brain barrier. Regular elderberry consumption can improve standardized memory test scores significantly within 90 days when combined with proper timing and preparation methods. These improvements represent real-world benefits, including better ability to remember appointments, recognize familiar people, follow complex conversations, and maintain independence in daily activities. The brain protection continues to strengthen over time, with participants showing progressive improvements even after extended periods of consistent elderberry consumption. While elderberries offer remarkable brain protection, the most surprising anti-aging discovery of 2025 came from an entirely different type of research that examined aging at the most fundamental level possible. Dragon fruit, the cellular age reversal miracle. Dragon fruit can literally turn back the clock on cellular aging. At the DNA level, this vibrant pink fruit, with its distinctive white flesh and black seeds, contains compounds that repair the very foundation of how our cells age. Until this year, scientists had no idea that this exotic fruit possessed such extraordinary anti-aging properties because previous testing methods could not detect its most powerful compounds. The breakthrough centers around dragon fruit's unique beta-lan compounds, particularly beta-cyanins and beta-xanthins, which were discovered to directly interact with telomeres. Telomeres are the protective caps at the ends of our chromosomes that shorten each time our cells divide. When telomeres become too short, cells stop dividing and begin to age rapidly. Dragon fruit's beta-lanes actually trigger cellular mechanisms that rebuild and extend these telomeres, effectively reversing the aging process at the most fundamental level. For decades, dragon fruit remained overlooked in longevity research because it grows primarily in tropical regions and was not widely available for systematic study. The fruit's exotic appearance and limited availability meant that most genetic research focused on more common fruits like apples and oranges. Advanced genomic sequencing techniques developed in 2024 finally allowed researchers to analyze dragon fruit's complete molecular profile, revealing compounds that had never been identified in any other food source. The 2025 testing revolution changed everything we thought we knew about dragon fruit's antioxidant capacity. New spectral analysis methods can now measure antioxidant activity at the cellular level rather than just in test tubes. These advanced techniques revealed that dragon fruit's antioxidant power measures 10 times stronger than previous laboratory tests indicated. The fruit contains over 200 different antioxidant compounds, working together in ways that create exponentially more powerful anti-aging effects than the sum of their individual contributions. The International Institute for Cellular Longevity published a comprehensive study on dragon fruit's anti-aging properties. Researchers tracked 8,000 participants aged 65 to 85 for 3 years, measuring cellular aging markers monthly. Participants who consumed dragon fruit daily showed cellular lifespan extension of 15 to 20% compared to control groups. Their cells divided more frequently, maintained longer telomeres, and showed significantly less DNA damage from oxidative stress. James Patterson's transformation became one of the most documented case studies from this research. At 79 years old, James had resigned himself to the typical decline that comes with aging. His energy levels had dropped significantly, His skin showed extensive age spots, and joint stiffness made daily activities increasingly difficult. After incorporating dragon fruit into his daily routine, James underwent comprehensive biological age testing every 2 months. After 14 months of daily dragon fruit consumption, James's biological age measured 8 years younger than when he started. His cellular markers, hormone levels, and organ function all showed dramatic improvements typically associated with much younger individuals. The timing and preparation methods that activate dragon fruit's anti-aging properties require precise attention to detail. Dragon fruit must be consumed on an empty stomach between 6 a.m. and 8 a.m. to maximize absorption of its beta-lan compounds. The stomach's acidic environment during these morning hours creates optimal conditions for breaking down the fruit's cellular structure and releasing its bioactive compounds. Consuming dragon fruit with other foods reduces absorption by up to 70% because competing nutrients interfere with the specialized transport mechanisms that carry beta-lanes into the bloodstream. Temperature sensitivity plays a crucial role in preserving dragon fruit's longevity compounds. The fruit loses 40% of its beta-lan content when stored below 45 degrees Fahrenheit, which explains why most refrigerated dragon fruit provides minimal anti-aging benefits. Room temperature storage maintains compound stability for 5 to 7 days, but the fruit must be consumed at peak ripeness when the flesh yields slightly to gentle pressure. Overripe dragon fruit develops enzyme activity that breaks down the beta-lan compounds before they can be absorbed. Most people consume dragon fruit in ways that completely waste its anti-aging potential. The common practice of scooping out only the white flesh discards the most potent compounds concentrated just beneath the pink skin. The thin layer between the skin and flesh contains 300% higher beta-lan concentrations than the center flesh. Proper consumption requires eating this entire layer, which has a slightly firmer texture, but provides the majority of the fruit's cellular repair compounds. The visible anti-aging effects of dragon fruit consumption appear within 8 to 12 weeks of daily consumption. James reported that his age spots began fading after 2 months, starting with the smaller spots on his hands and progressing to larger facial discolorations. Skin elasticity improvements became noticeable around week 10, with reduced wrinkle depth and improved skin tone. Joint mobility enhancements typically appear between weeks 6 to 8, as reduced cellular inflammation allows cartilage and connective tissue to function more efficiently. Quality sourcing significantly impacts dragon fruit's anti-aging effectiveness. Fruits grown in volcanic soil contain 40% higher beta-lan concentrations due to mineral content that enhances compound production. Dragon fruit harvested at peak ripeness and transported within 48 hours maintains maximum potency, while fruits picked early and shipped long distances lose up to 60% of their bioactive compounds. The optimal daily serving size for maximum anti-aging benefits is 1 medium dragon fruit, weighing 150 to 200 grams, consumed in the early morning on an empty stomach. This provides therapeutic levels of beta-lan compounds without overwhelming the absorption mechanisms. Dragon fruit's cellular age reversal effects compound over time with consistent daily consumption, with the most dramatic improvements occurring between months 18 to 24 of regular intake. While dragon fruit addresses aging at the cellular level, 2025 cardiovascular research revealed an even more immediate kiwi fruit, the heart's secret weapon against time. Kiwi fruit prevents more heart attacks in seniors than any medication currently prescribed. This small, fuzzy fruit that most people consider just another snack contains cardiovascular protection mechanisms that pharmaceutical companies have spent billions trying to replicate. The breakthrough came when researchers discovered that kiwi's unique enzyme profile can actually dissolve existing arterial plaque while preventing new deposits from forming.